Did astronomers just discover alien megastructures? Well, no, but let's talk about what's going on. The megastructure being referred to here is something called a Dyson Sphere. This would be something that surrounds a star to capture as much of its energy as possible. Although they couldn't physically literally be complete spheres, they probably wouldn't even look like this, but rather more like this, a constellation of satellites surrounding a star. Dyson spheres are pretty common in science fiction, and in fact, the scientist who first formalized the concept got the idea from a sci-fi novel. But that guy, Freeman Dyson, wrote about this in 1960, so why are we talking about it now? Well, it's all thanks to this paper. This team went through surveys of millions of stars to try to find ones that might have a Dyson sphere. In particular, they were looking for excess infrared radiation. The idea being that this technology would generate heat, and that heat would be emitted in the infrared, so there would be more infrared light coming from this star than normal. They found only 7 objects that had that excess infrared radiation and no obvious contaminants like being in a binary system or having a background galaxy nearby. But here's the key part about this. These stars probably do have excess infrared radiation, but a Dyson sphere isn't the only explanation for that. They could have debris disks around them, although it's been rare to find debris disks around these types of stars. There's also a decent chance that there are just background contaminants they didn't find that are boosting the infrared emission. There even could have been a planetary collision around these stars, creating a large debris field. As the very last sentence in the paper says, we would like to stress that although our candidates display properties consistent with partial Dyson spheres, it is definitely premature to presume that the mid-infrared presented in these sources originated from them. Additional data is required to determine their nature. So sure, we may have found alien megastructures, but I personally think it's pretty unlikely. And personally, I kind of doubt the existence of Dyson spheres in general, given their impracticality.